Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sirmeo's garden. Sirmeovlogs is here. Please do like, share, and subscribe. The aluminum plant is an easygoing house plant that is generally simple to please. So long as the Pilea cadere plant gets the water and sunlight it wants, it will continue to be a stunning addition to your indoor garden for years to come. Featuring wide bushy leaves that are marked with silver patterns, this native to China and Vietnam does wonderfully as a houseplant. The individual leaves grow from the ground to their standard size, branching out in an umbrella fashion. These leaves are the plant's beauty. The silver patterning on each leaf is unique, creating a beautiful tapestry of different shapes on the overall plant. The spider plant or Chlorophytum comosum is considered one of the most adaptable of houseplants and the easiest to grow. The spider plant is so named because of its spider-like plants or spiderets, which dangle down from the mother plant like spiders on a web. Spider plants are therapeutic because they offer so many benefits, including reducing depression, anxiety, anger, and tension. This benefit is linked to the other plant's ability to create a healthy living environment by getting rid of toxins and absorbing carbon dioxide and toxins including formaldehyde and xylene. Alocasia is a genus of rhizomatoous or tuberous broad-leaved perennial flowering plants from the family Araceae. If you're an indoor plant enthusiast looking for a unique addition to your collection of houseplants, then Alocasia may be the ideal plant for you. Alocasia doesn't come from Africa at all. It gets its name from its resemblance to the hand-carved ceremonial mask found there, but actually hails from the Philippine Islands. Alocasia plants make a statement with their bold, arrowhead-shaped leaves and tall stems. Some Alocasia plants can grow to be 8 to 10 feet tall. Thank you so much for your love and support to Sirmeovlogs. God bless us all.